Hey there, it's Coach Nancy from The Watering Mouth. I'm here coming to you from my sunny porch. It's a little bit noisy in the background, so I hope this works. So I came on to answer a question that we get a lot, and that is, I'm just starting the Eat to Live lifestyle, the Nutritarian way of eating. How long will it take for me to lose weight? Well, my friend, that's a very loaded question. So the short answer would be, it depends. And the long answer would be, it depends on how much time you have to devote, how much energy you have in your day, how much space you have to make the food, to do the food, to shop, prepare, all the things, right? How committed are you? Do you have time in your day to do the prep, to do the things that need to be done to make this lifestyle doable, right? To make it feasible and then see the weight loss happen. Now, I'm not saying that you need to make this your full-time job, because you don't. If you've got that luxury, awesome, go for it. And if your health is in need of some rescue, go for it as fast as you can. Do it as much as you can. Jump in, watch videos, listen to podcasts, watch these Watering Mouth videos, print off the recipes, go to the store, do the things. So if you can do that as much as possible, awesome. And if you can't, if you work, if you have a family, if you have a job and responsibilities and you don't have extra time, use the time you do have wisely. It really boils down to how committed you are to doing the lifestyle, to eating the food, to learning what it takes to get your mind in order, to get things organized enough, to get your environment ready to live the Eat to Live lifestyle. And to answer your question in a very simple way, I would say it takes a day or two to begin to lose weight. It may not be fat loss, but it's certainly going to be some water weight, some inflammation's going to go down. Whenever you stop eating the standard American diet food, the processed, the sugars, the oils, the fat, it's going to give your body a break, and it's going to release some toxins, it's going to release some water, it's going to release some things. And over a couple of days, you can easily see a pound or two go. Over a week, it's not unusual to see, depending upon how much weight you have to lose, it's not unusual to see 5 or more pounds go. Now, I'm not saying that it's fat loss and that it's forever lost, it's forever gone, it's forever released, but I am saying that you can lose weight fairly quickly. Now, you probably are wondering, can I keep it off? That's the bigger question, right? Well, yes, of course you can keep it off. We have dozens and dozens and hundreds of people that can testify to you can keep it off. I can testify you can keep it off. You can lose the weight and keep it off. So that is going to take making it a lifestyle, committing to eating the food, eating the G-bombs, doing what needs to be done. And also, when life happens, as life does, you have a simple system, a simple plan. Maybe you don't do as elaborate sauces and recipes that you did when you first got started because you were so excited about it. Maybe you grab a bag of salad at the store and you mix up some tahini and balsamic vinegar and a little mustard, and you throw it on and make a salad dressing, and you eat it with an apple. And you buy a can of beans and you dump half of that on it. You make it very, very simple. So you find ways and tricks and tips, and you get support to help you. So I've given you lots of ideas, but that's what it takes when you change up how you're eating. It's not popular, as you know, or as you may know, to totally change the way you eat. It's a little bit of a threat to other people. But when you can find a community of people like the Eat to Live family, like our high nutrient lifestyle group on Facebook that's free, if you can invest in coaching, absolutely. Have someone who can support you, a coaching partner like myself, who will walk with you and help you to stay committed and help you do the mindset work that's going to help you keep those good habits that you're learning. So I hope that helps. I hope that answers your question a little bit. And if you're intrigued by the idea of having me help you, support you, walk with you as you release the weight, I'll be very happy to get on a call and see if we're a fit. That's the best we can do. So find the link that's associated with this video and fill out the form, and I would love to get on a call with you and see if what I have to offer is what you're looking for, or what you're looking for is what I have to offer. So thanks for listening, and I hope that you at least try the Eat to Live lifestyle. Give it a whirl. Even if you have a big salad a day, if that's the only change you make, you'll be surprised. I think you'll lose weight just from making that change. Okay, until next time, it's Coach Nancy. Take good care of beautiful you.